This scene must be quite common at many of our places, and it does not come to our realization till we see parts of the wall getting chipped because of excessive banging of the door knob. It could be even tiles. And then eventually we are left with why we haven't taken an action till now. So, today I'm going to show you a very simple solution to protect your wall or your door knobs from these kind of banging consequences. So for this hack, you'll require glue gun, and you'll have to spread generous amount of glue using the glue gun on that area where your doorknob bangs. So we'll just go through this in a quick manner. Now you all want, you all can design it with shape. If not, you all can just make a simple square, and this is how it should look once you're done. And time for testing, it's dried, and can you see it goes and hits directly on the area where I have spread this glue, which is a good thing because in case if you all want to remove it and you all want a permanent solution, you all can do that. Didn't you find the hack useful? It's quite simple, something which is available in your place, and it's an instant solution. Let me know in the comments section if you all like this hack. And for those of you all who are here for the very first time on my channel, I would request you all sincerely to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. For those of you all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with us on our social media sites. That's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.